I'm Ahmed Al-Karimi, Senior R&D Engineer at Funky. I will introduce our all-electric blow molding machine. With over 6 decades of experience in the field, Funky introduced brand new all-electric blow molding machine, which has been well developed through mechanism study, structure strength analysis, with tools of computer software simulation system in order to provide a strong and durable piece of machine. An outstanding and remarkable blow molding machine with the great advantages such as energy saving, eco-friendly, and smart manufacturing with Industry 4.0 system. Energy saving. 18 to 35% energy being saved compared to those traditional hydraulic machines, and at the same time, the carbon emission is also being reduced as well. Servo drives and actuators are in the use to replace induction motor, pumps, and oil cylinders. With such a drive system, running speed can be faster and at very precise position. As a result, the production rate can also be increased up to 40%. Eco-friendly. There is less carbon emission, no hydraulic system being used. Therefore, no pollution, no oil, no leakage, no regular change for those oil seals and packings. Much less maintenance and less noise without the pump charging continuously. Smart manufacturing with Industry 4.0 system can be added to collect all production data. Power consumption for all the drives, heaters, and extruders. Consumption rate for the raw materials like virgin grade, regrind grade, and the master batch. All running data from production and quality control around the clock. Extruder pressure, speed, and running temperature. Die head thickness control and mold position. Servo drives, temperatures, current, and utility monitoring. Even the alarms and maintenance notifications are collected. All this data can be saved as record for the future analysis. Remote monitoring and control are standard function which can be reached even through the smartphone. A 3-layer single-head, single-station machine can produce 100 pieces of 20-liter jerrycan, weight 850 grams, which consumes 40 kilowatt power per hour. To comply with the target today for less plastic, fully recycled, 3-layer co-extrusion system being introduced to the market 20 years ago. PMS motors being used for extruders to have high safety factor and also less energy consumption. Same idea to use ceramic heaters and insulation jacket for the barrel and die head. Extruder screws offer the best mixing results, capable to run with high percentage of regrind or PCR. We also offer different screw mixing heads to give best color dispersion. 3-layer die head with spiral channel designed to ensure the parazone flow with even distribution and fast color change in a couple of hours. Less jerrycan weight but still maintaining the required stacking strength. EPWDS plus SFDR is strongly recommended to reach the best result with desired wall thickness distribution. Generally, weight can be reduced around 8 to 13% and average cycle time reduction of 10 to 15%. Clamping Platen with C-frame to maintain the strength during carriage move and clamping. All data being reviewed, calculated, and simulated to get the best solution with proper drive and reducer. No ball screw being used to prevent easy breakdown or out of tolerance, which might happen within a short running period. Blow pin with dual channel. Air in and air out for quick heat exchange, driven by servo motor and actuator for high speed at accurate position. Total automation solution is there for the deflashing unit to punch out the top, bottom, and handle residuals. Then checking the jerrycan weight using the built-in scale. Gripper moving the ready-made jerrycan to the post-cooling unit with cooling tools to maintain fast cycle, as well as keeping the jerrycan in good shape. Inline leak detector can be added to complete the total production with quality control. A closed-loop recycle system can be also added with waste conveyor to collect those residues, directly feeding it to the soundproof crusher, and then linked to the gravimetric dosing system with virgin grade to be 100% recycled. The electrical control system using the leading brands of electrical components like Siemens from Germany to ensure stable and long-running life. B&R PLC system is with Color HMI from Austria to control all function of the entire machine on one station. All functions are available at fingertips, including the option manual and electrical diagrams. It is our principle to provide prompt after-sales service apart from offering a strong machine. Based on our experience, more defects come from lack of routine maintenance. Preventive maintenance instruction to be shown on HMI at due time with alarms. And the troubleshooting guidance can be provided online with remote assistant. Our target is to help the customer create more profit by being our partner. Thank you, and please visit our website for more information.